Don't trust everything you see, because for 20 years, I lived with people who were not my real family. And the day I found out the truth, I wished I never knew. My name is Daniel. I had a simple life, a small house, a quiet family, a normal routine. Every morning, my mother smiled at me. Every night, my father asked, "How was your day?" Everything felt perfect, too perfect. But sometimes, I felt like I didn't belong. Not because they treated me badly, but because something felt off. People used to say, "You don't look like your parents." I always laughed, but inside, those words stayed in my mind. One night, everything changed. My parents were asleep. I was looking for an old book. When I opened a drawer, I found something strange. A file. Hidden. Locked. I don't know why, but my heart started beating fast. I opened it, and in that moment, my entire life broke. Adoption papers. I froze. My hand started shaking. This can't be real. I checked again. My name, my birth date, everything. For 20 years. They never told me. I couldn't breathe. I couldn't think. Who am I? The next morning, I didn't say anything. I just watched them. Their smiles, their voices, their love. Was it real? Or was everything a lie? That night, I asked them, "Tell me the truth." They looked at each other, silent, and that silence was enough. "Yes," my father said, "you were adopted." Those words felt like a knife. "Why didn't you tell me?" I asked. My mother started crying. "We were afraid. Afraid to lose you." I stepped back. "You already did." That night, I made a decision. I needed answers. I needed to know who I really was. Days passed. I searched everything. Old records, addresses, names, nothing. But I didn't stop, because now, this was my life. After weeks of searching, I found something, an old address. My heart was racing. I went there, a small, broken house. I knocked. The door opened slowly. An old woman stood there. She looked at me and started crying. "Daniel," she whispered. My heart stopped. She knew my name. Before I could speak, she hugged me. "I've been waiting for you." My mind was blank. "Why?" I asked. "Why did you leave me?" She looked at me, with pain in her eyes. "I didn't leave you. I saved you." I was confused. She continued. "I was poor. I had no food, no home. I couldn't give you a life, so I gave you a chance." Tears fell from her eyes. "I loved you so much that I let you go." Silence. In that moment, everything changed. She didn't abandon me. She sacrificed everything for me. I stood there, not angry anymore, just broken and grateful. I went back home. My parents were waiting, scared, worried. I looked at them. They raised me. They loved me. They stayed. I walked to them and hugged them. "I understand now," I said. "You didn't lie. You protected me." My mother cried. My father held me tightly. And in that moment, I realized something. Family is not about who gave you life. It's about who stayed when life was hard. For 20 years, I thought I lost the truth. But in reality, I found something more powerful. Love, from two different worlds. And sometimes, the truth doesn't break you. It completes you. If you were in my place, would you search for the truth or stay in the lie?